Hi, Clay McKinney, Developer On-Ramp. This is the Introduction to HTML course, and we need to do a few videos about web graphics. So this video is going to be about the image tag, and then we'll talk about JPEGs, GIFs, PNGs, SVGs, and just, web graphic stuff. Alright, so starting with the image tag, let's see, I need to make a new document with my template. So let's open that guy with Notepad++. Okay, and our template now, let's add that extra stuff to it. The stuff we did last time about the header with the navigation in it, we'll put that in our template. Close article, close main, close footer. That looks about right. Okay, I'm going to save that, and then we'll save it again as our image tag, a document for showing the image tag. The image tag is img. I'm going to name this image example.html. I don't like that name. I'm going to name it web graphics. Okay, so here we are, web graphics HTML. And the tag is img. And then we have to make a link, not a hyperlink, but we have to tell the HTML where our image is, the source of the image, and that's src is the attribute for source. Okay, and we don't need a close image because it's one of those rare self-closing HTML tags. So our source, where is our source? We don't have one yet, so let's make a folder here. New folder, images. That's very normal, very typical for a website to have an images folder. Okay, and then let's see, we're going to need to have a picture in there. Alright, that should do. Let's see. Developer on-ramp, images. Alright. Now we have a picture. It's got a weird name. Let's copy that name. Okay, so in our image tag where it says source, then we need to put a relative path to where we're going to find this image. So we named our folder images. And the images folder is right next to this web graphics HTML folder, so we don't have to tell it anything more than just the name of the folder. And then we copied the name, so paste that in. Alright, and then we ought to be able to see it. Let's see, we've got, okay, there's the web graphics file. We should open that in our yeah, there we are. Okay. Super huge picture. It's alright. With CSS, you can resize your images. Another way to resize your images is to actually open up a photo editor and change the number of pixels that are in the image. And so since we're talking about web graphics, we'll do that next. Thanks.